Textile industry has been existed for thousands years ago around the world. Few processes involved in making a well quality of fabrics, including dyeing. Dyeing is the process where the fabrics are being colored with vast choices of colors by immersion in the dye bath under certain conditions. The main reason on why the colors on the fabrics were difficult to fade away and the bleaching process is very slow is that the dye molecules have penetrated deeper into the voids and pores within the fabrics. This is known generally as the mass transfer. The aim of this presentation is to demonstrate the principle of mass transfer that involved in textile dyeing process, which is molecular diffusion theoretically and practically. The dyeing mechanism consists of three stages, which are diffusion of dye through the aqueous dye bath to the fiber surface, transfer of dye across the fiber surface, and finally, the diffusion of the dye from the surface throughout the whole fiber. As you can see now, the video shows the movement of the liquid through the pores of the porous media. The black areas indicate the media, while the blue area is the tiny canals where the liquid indicated by green color can moving through. When the fabrics is immersed in a dye solution, a spontaneous transfer of dye will occur from the solution to the fiber surface, which results in the dye concentration gradient. There are few factors that influencing the diffusivity rate of dye, which are the molecular size of dye, the interaction between chemical species in both phases, which are hydrophobic and hydrophilic behavior between fabric surface and dye molecules, and finally, the temperature of the surrounding. In this video, we are going to demonstrate on how the diffusion process between the dye molecules with the fabrics by using few simple equipments and apparatus. So please, stay tuned.
Today we are going to demonstrate the diffusion of dye molecules into fabric molecules, which is applied in textile industry. This is called as diffusion of liquid into porous media.
My name is Shukri bin Hazmi. Since the process is quite sophisticated, we are going to use the analogy of agarose gel as liquid molecule and food coloring agent as dye solution. We are going to test how far the solution is going to diffuse into the agarose gel over a certain time. We are also going to test other factors that influence into the diffusivity rate of the process, which in this case the ambient temperature.
My name is Muhammad Azmi bin Yusuf. The apparatus that we are going to use in this demonstration first is prepare agarose gel. Second is food coloring agent. Third one is thermometers.
Firstly, the hardened hydrogel is put into the Tupperware. Then the food coloring solution is poured into the space surrounding the gel. The level of solution is not exceed the height of the hydrogel. Okay. Then it will be left for a few hours under a room temperature, and photo will be taken on interval basis. At the same time, another gel, same as this procedure, will be prepared and put in the fridge as a comparison.
After the 36 hours period ended, the photos taken were compiled. Photos of the setup in ambient temperature were compared side by side with one of the colder temperature. From the result, it was shown that the diffusion of the coloring agent is much higher when it was done in higher temperature due to the random movement of the molecules, and molecules move much quickly at higher temperature as the energy is being supplied. This is primarily the reason why the dyeing process in the industry was carried out in temperature range of 20 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius. As a conclusion, the mass transfer process has a significant role within textile industry, which in this case by diffusion and adsorption. The crucial factors and conditions, such as the temperature of the operation and also the type of dyeing agent were important in order to ensure the maximum efficiency of the process to meet the production demand within the industry. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.